Good morning. How are you all this morning? Happy holidays. It's wonderful to see all of you here in the GPR. Someday we'll have an auditorium for this and we'll have risers. Well, we can have risers, but someday we'll have risers and get those kids out. But this is our first concert of this wonderful day. And this is my high school choir. Please stop spamming me.
You can't with your gloves.
Oh, look. Alan, can I give this to you? Thanks. Hey, I'm only 20 seconds off time.
Well,
everyone, Alan. He's my husband. Hi, Alan.
please keep it PG.
We're not going to get
Anyway, enough of the antics. Thank you for coming today. This is our first holiday concert of the day. I hope you are able to go see some of the bands today as well. And after this one, we have our handbell concert, which is always so fun. We're going to do a mix of things today. I have some madrigal students that are actually in this choir, and they're going to be singing a couple of madrigal songs in the middle of some of these, so you can hear a little taste of what we're going to be doing next weekend. So if you haven't purchased your tickets for the madrigal, they are for sale up until the moment you walk in the door if you want to. They are $15, shameless plug, $15, and you get a dessert afterwards. And for those that have been to a madrigal, you know how fun and crazy they are. So, a good tradition to have. So our first song is going to be one of those madrigal pieces called Welcome.
Welcome to all and be of good cheer, and we're glad that you've come to lend an ear. Music is our heart's delight, so we sing with joyful spirits bright. We sing welcome, one and all, we sing welcome to our festive hall. Gladly, gladly, never sadly, we raise our voices and sing. Welcome, we ask not who you are. If a friend, we greet you with hand and heart. Stranger, may you no longer be. If a foe, our friendship will conquer thee. We sing welcome, one and all. We sing welcome to our festive hall. Gladly, gladly, never sadly, we raise our voices and sing, and sing. We sing welcome, one and all, we sing welcome to our festive hall. Gladly, gladly, never sadly, we raise our voices and sing, and sing, and sing. Welcome.
I'm not going to sit down the whole time, I promise.
Okay, good.
I was only going to sit down because I have those here. I'm going to go up there, I promise.
No, I can never see him.
Mom, she needs glasses.
I can't see.
The next song is a favorite of mine. I'm not quite sure it's a favorite of the kids, but I thought it would be good for students to learn a little Handel in their lives. So we have an adapted version of the Hallelujah Chorus.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
you today is another challenging piece for many of them because I make them sing in foreign languages sometimes, and my favorite is always French. And so I've given them a French piece, and those that are new to my choirs are always like, I don't speak French. I said, well, by the time we're done with this, you will, at least this song. This is a French traditional carol called Il est né. We're going to do another song from the madrigal. It's a Ukrainian carol that is known by many, called Carol of the Bells.
Hark, bell, bell, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is our song, with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. All the town raising the sound, harder down, louder tell. Hear the ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On and they sang on without end, their joyful town to every home. Hark, the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is our song, with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. All the town raising the sound, harder than bells, louder tell. Hear the ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, merry, merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On and they sang on without end, their joyful tone to every home. Hark, how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Don't listen, your joyful tone to every home. Ding dong, ding dong.
The next piece is by a group that I absolutely love. They really compose some wonderful music. The group is called Pink Zebra. We sang one of their songs. You want to come in? You can go around. Well, I feel bad. They're like looking in the Christmas window. Christmas window. hearts. It's such a cute Christmas window. All right, now we get that again. Okay, good. Find a seat. All right. But Pink Tuber is one of our favorites. They do some wonderful arrangements. This is a piece called Winter with You.
Evening light, does it linger now, quite as long as before? And the snow softly coats the ground, nature sleeps once more. In this quiet place, time finds a slower pace, and I will not mind at all the cold outside if I could share this winter with you.
We can walk through the fields of white, watch the world display, see the stars fill a cloudless night. All our cares fade away. In this quiet place, time finds a slower pace, and I won't mind at all the cold outside if I could share this winter with you. Fires burn bright on December nights, embers softly glow. All is calm in the fading light, gently falls the snow. In this quiet place, time finds a slower pace, and I will not mind at all the cold outside if I could share this winter. If I could share this winter, we could share this winter.
Now. Well, you know that's going to happen.
We're not going to be prepared either.
You're not going to be prepared either way. So I think this is their favorite to do. And it's not necessarily my favorite to teach, right? We've talked about that. Because I didn't grow up a jazz person. And I always try to push my limits every now and then because I'm always like, oh, let's do this soft, lovely song. Let's do this magical Renaissance piece. Oh, let's do Handel. And they're like, no. But they do it anyway because it's always good. But I throw them a bone and I have to learn a lot myself, right? Especially when it comes to doing strange rhythms. So this is a jazzed up version of Santa Claus is Coming to Town, so you better not pout and you better not cry. And jump it down on that edge.
Jingling-a-jingling-jing.
Jingling-a-jingling-a-jingling-jing. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
today. They've learned a lot this year. I have some really young singers in this group, but I also have several that this is their last Christmas concert with me.
Stop, you're gonna make me cry.
This is their last
Don't do
Christmas
that to me.
concert with me after doing them since 6th grade. So I just want to take a special note of some of these students, and I'm going to do this throughout the year because it's just me, because that's what I do. So we have Nathan Austin. All you tenors, sorry. Elliot, I know what you mean. Tyler?
Photo moment.
I got you.
Thanks.
Okay, did I help with that? I think I helped with that. Yeah, I'm good. I think those are my. Wait. I didn't miss anyone, did I? No, those are the seniors. Okay, okay, we're done with that nice little moment. But thank you very much. I hope you have wonderful holidays, and God bless you all. Hello!
Yeah.
Good morning! Welcome to the Handbell Concert! Actually, this is a pretty good crowd for handbells. We love it. This is awesome.
We didn't have to drive the car here.
Yeah, we did. What's really awesome is that, come and find a seat. Just, if you get behind me, you're just going to see me. So you might want to scoot over there, move some chairs around. I remember when I started handbells, and it was, how many years ago?
Easy.
You were in sixth grade.
You were in 6th grade.
What?
3 plus 4.
Yeah, 7 years ago. Oh, yeah. This is the 7th year. Stop! You must understand, they're musicians. They only count to 4. Unless they're advanced, and then they do 7, 8 times. And these I know can't do.
I'm in math. Caleb, she can count higher than that.
I know she can. Not very often. Okay. So, without further ado, our first song is Silver Bells. Those are young. I know they are. Sorry. 1, 2. watched some of these handbell players grow over the years, and you've seen that they've gone from simple ringing, that is, just ringing the bells, not very many notes on the page, to having to do many technical things. The marting, the shaking, the triplet rhythms and everything like that. So they really are growing. I'm so very proud of them. I gave them this piece. It's the first time we've ever really malleted almost everything. Oh, yeah, everything. And so it's a fun piece that you will recognize called Dipping Wenceslas. Someone got a little distracted. Hold it. Ready? Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's not speed up on me. Take a big breath and don't speed up. Okay? Okay. They like to speed up on me a lot. Okay, this next piece is probably one of the hardest that they've done. It has a lot of technicalities that go into it. There's sometimes the melody switches places in the music, and so they're like, where is that melody? It's going back and forth, and I can't hear it. So, but it is a very fun piece. It's a very magical piece. It's called Pata Pan. Pata Pan. No.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. I can't scrunch it up if I can't get a hold of it.
Scrunch up both pieces and then they use the number.
Oh, never mind, I had to hold the paper. I just was being stupid and I thought it was funny.
Okay, we're all good. Hey, can people actually, if I move out of the way, can people take pictures so that the handbell choir can go in the yearbook? Because I never have a chance to take pictures. And we would like to have choir and handbells in the yearbook. So if anyone has a phone out, take a picture quick.
All right. My mother can do that.
Now, when I send an email out and I want pictures, I know who to go to. I'm in the way. I'm like, here, take a picture. Here we go.
1 year last
Wait, I got it.
I'm on. Wait.
Okay, I'm not even
here.
I don't even know what you're really too quick. Sorry. I don't even know what that means. All right. Bells up. Okay, through there. 1, 2, 3,
We do gotta go.
Well, yeah, you gotta go. Hey, they have a very important thing they're doing. They're running regionals for theater. Go! Thank you very much. Pass the handout card. We have a good time. Thank you very much.
started falling apart on me. Sorry about that. All right, we're gonna play a little fun song for y'all. Some of y'all might recognize it.